Ramadan is not only about leaving food and drink, it is about protecting our hearts. If screens are harming your home and your faith, today's reminder is especially for you. If you are troubled by the harms of television and the internet, this is an opportunity. If you complain about the harmful effects of television, videos, computers, and the internet in your home, the blessed month of Ramadan can be a powerful opportunity to free yourself from these concerns. For the sake of Ramadan, making an agreement with our spouses, children, and all family members to distance ourselves from these tools and to search for ways to draw closer to our Lord is a meaningful step that helps everyone truly feel the value of this sacred month. For the training of the soul, if a family is not willing to make sacrifices even for 1 month, especially in such a blessed time, what can be expected for the rest of the year? If we fail to benefit from a month in which hearts are inclined toward goodness and the devils are chained, it means we will struggle to make real spiritual progress at any other time. A believer must sincerely attach his heart to Allah and seek help only from Him. When he does so, Allah's help arrives, family members become supportive, and others naturally begin to follow His example. We must remember that being a good role model is also our responsibility. By acting this way, we protect ourselves and our families from the traps of human and jinn devils who seek to mislead our children and spouses. During this blessed month, we should also keep away from newspapers, magazines, and publications that distance the heart from Allah and awaken worldly desires, along with audio media. Avoiding visual tools that draw us away from the pleasure of our Lord is an important part of this opportunity. Even if such materials may be permissible, the lives of great Islamic scholars and the friends of Allah show us that during Ramadan they distanced themselves from anything that tied them to the world. They devoted themselves to the Qur'an, worship, and night prayer. At the very least, how about staying away from audio and visual communication tools for just 1 month? Ramadan is a gift, a chance to discipline the soul and bring light back into our homes. If we can control our screens for 1 month, we may save our hearts for a lifetime. If this reminder benefited you, like the video, comment below. Are you ready to reduce screen time this Ramadan? Subscribe to Light of IMAN and stay with us for day 6 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah fill our homes with faith, peace, and light.